In case you are noticing your garage door is not really functioning as it once did, it will be a chance to speak to a professional for help. My Business can troubleshoot your garage door, evaluate which issues it offers, making suggestions about whether it needs to be repaired or replaced. We can present you with a bid as to how much it can cost, and subsequently start doing the install or repair. Our goal is usually to always provide our customers using the best services, permitting them to obtain their garage door returning to normal. Find out more today about our garage door services by contacting my ABC Garage Door Repair Carroll Streamill Company today.